don't know what my name is Petal, and today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup. So, let me just look at my book, what to do first, and then I'll be back. My book's right next to the camera, and here's my pen, and here's my book. If you never saw my pen and my book, it's brand new. So let me just see what I have to do first. Eyes. So for eyes, it's this. And I need the brush. And then I'm going to do pink. And then spread it on my eyes. If you don't know what you're going to do, just look in your mum's mirror or your own mirror. So I'm using the pink. You can use whatever colour you want to do. You can't just copy me, but you can do whatever colour you want to do. So I'm using pink for my favourite colour. And then I spread it on my eye. If you want to do it cool, you can do it cool. And if you want to do a different colour, you can. If you want to do this side pink and the other side purple, if you want to do that. Let me just look in my eye to see if I have any bits in my eye. Not any bits, so I'm going to do purple next. And then on the other eye. So I'm all done with that. And now I'm going to do this. So I'm going to do this. Open it like that if you have it from the shop. I buy all of this stuff from Morrison's. So if you go to Morrison's, if you don't have a shop called Morrison's, just add the makeup online on your mum's phone. If you have your own phone, just put your thing on your new phone. And I'm going to do this on my cheeks. And then I'm finished with that. And then you need to do this on your lips, or if you want to do it all over you, you can if you want to. I don't know what it is, but if you want to put it around you can. If you want to put it on your lips, you can. So I'm going to do it around me. made a felt tip white, and if you don't have a dryer, you can just flip it or blow it. So I'm flipping it like that. And then I'm going to do the other hand. So I'm going to do the other hand. So I did a little sibling, so I just if you don't have a felt tip wipe, just use your mum's wipe. If you don't have wipes, so I'm starting all over again. Dry, I